Welcome to the Paranormal office. A mother and a son went on vacation. They left their cats at home. They had somebody come over to take care of the cats. During the nights, however, they were completely alone. This is what one of the surveillance cameras captured. You can clearly see some shadows moving around in the upper right corner. Small table there just got rocked as well. And as you just saw, something closed the door. What's creepy about this is that the cats are reacting to something. It seems as if they have a shadowy presence roaming their home.